I'm Red. Welcome to the scrapyard. Not much to go over today. Just a couple of little small updates. Let me get you turned around here. Been working on the altered wheelbase Falcon. Um, Still waiting on tape, so I can do a little more with that body. But as you see, I've got this suspension in. Just got the wheels mocked up. I really like these plastic rear slicks, but the front runners leave a lot to be desired. So I'm looking for a set of front runners for this thing. I'm sure I got a set of something work fine around here somewhere. But yeah, put the dash in. I didn't notice you got the ripcord for the drag chute in there, right? Man, where's it? Pretty good. There it is. Yeah, right there. The only thing I figured is this big D ring. So it's got to be for the drag chute. That's the interior. There's that. I mean, I got some stuff in paint. This is coming right along. If I wasn't so damn lazy, I'd already have it done. The engine's coming along. I got it set up ready to wire. This whole thing is right out of the box. Only thing I've replaced on it is I put a magneto on it. I didn't like the distributor come with it, and I had some of these 3D printed magnetos laying around. What I'll do is I'll get my wires set, and then I'll add a touch of super glue to the magneto to secure it all in place. But I kind of like it loose like that. That way you can adjust them back and forth. Get one side and pull the other side and get it right. There's that. I like the color, but it didn't come out right. Sprayed it over a gray primer, and it come out model looking and everything. So I'm gonna throw it back in back in the purple pond, and strip it all off, repaint it flat white, and then go from there. I really like this color. It's tangerine. Tamaya tangerine. I mean, not Tamaya, but Testers tangerine, and it's more orange than an orange. The orange is more of a red. But it's a tiger. I figured I'd paint it orange, maybe put a purple stripe on there and call it a Clemson tiger. But there's that. I got a stash ad in. This is just a box that came in. This ain't it. Oh, that's not the right one. This is it. I needed another T, like I need a hole in the head, but yeah, I got one. This is the Hillbilly Hot Rods in here. And it's a bit of a glue bomb, but that's all right. But yeah, I'll tear it apart and rebuild it. I mean, that's what we do here at the scrapyard. But yeah, looks like most, if not all, the parts are here. Matter of fact, I can get a couple of duplicates even, looks like. But yeah, there's that. And I figured give Model T painting another try. I've got one from the Silent Box series over there, but it's all complete. Everything's still on the trees and all that, man. I've been kind of reluctant to yeah, you know, they're kind of reluctant to build it, because like I said, everything's still in the box, still there. Um, I got my graphite in. Now I don't know if you can tell it or not, but the graphite, I rubbed the graphite on Robbie, and it just give it even more of a metallic look. I got to jump back up on this man and them, finish up his head, and put his hands on, and then he's done. That graphite man over that Chester's metallic black, man, that rubbing that graphite on there, man, that really made it pop. I always figured Robbie didn't have no paint on him anyway, man. He's made out of Krell metal. Well, anyway, that's all I got for now. If anybody wants my shop card, I still got plenty of them. It comes with a surprise on the back, but my address right there, Red Scale Scrapyard at gmail.com. If you want one, man, you don't have to have one to trade, but I do like getting one back from you. But if you don't have one to trade, that's all right too, man. I can send you one out. Um, let's see. Other than that, I really don't have nothing. I'll let it go with that. You guys have a great night, and we'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh, before I forget, like, share, and subscribe. It puts it up at the end of the thing, but yeah. uh, y'all have a good night. Thanks. Bye bye.